Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you have set up your Gemini API key, but when you try to use it, you see an error message. For example, you see the 401 error or a permission denied message, or the dreaded your API key was reported as leaked. You have checked your code, everything looks fine, but the API just won't accept you or accept your key. This is one of the most common dev issues, and it usually comes down to a few key problems. Either an expired key, insufficient permissions, account eligibility, or the key has been compromised. So the 401 error authentication failure, which basically indicates an authentication failure with Google's API service, since the API key is managed by Google. The issue is likely related to account eligibility permissions or a problem with the key itself. It's time now to regenerate your API key. If your key isn't working, head to Google AI Studio as you see. Go to Google AI Studio, navigate to aistudio.google.com, sign in with your standard Google account, generate the key by clicking the API key or get the API key or create the API key button on the dashboard. You'll be prompted to either attach it to an existing Google Cloud project or automatically create a new free chat project tab. Copy and secure your key, then copy the generation string immediately, set your environment variable, and all of this. So that's basically the main idea here. After checking your account eligibility, you can also check your API key status. Was it actually leaked? Was it just a problem? You can also contact the support if it's needed. That's your idea. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.